Hello everyone, welcome back to our MF Techno Solution channel. If you are a beginner to learn this Linux and DevOps tool, you are in the right place, in the right channel. So in the entire course, we are going to cover all these DevOps tools and the complete Linux part. So to learn these DevOps tools, the basic requirement is Linux. So that's why we have started our course on first Linux part. So once after completing this Linux part, we will going to cover all the DevOps tools one by one. Around 23 lectures we covered. So in 22 lectures we covered. In that we covered up to the 6th topic, Linux, introduction to Linux and Linux directory structure, the basic commands and VM editor commands, hard link, soft link, and file compression and extraction. Okay, and up to this file compression and extraction, up to the 6th topic we covered. So in a today lecture we are going to cover this creating a users and group, how to create the users and how to create a group. Okay, all those things we are going to see, and later how to add the users to the group and how to create a group and how to change the group permissions and all. So these all things we are going to see in this topics. These all commands and all. Okay, so yeah, and let's start the practical. Okay, fine. So pwd I will check. I'm in my home directory. Siva is the user, so I'm in my home directory. Okay, before going to start this practical, let's see the some theoretical part, what is the user and all. Okay, we'll see this. Okay, users in Linux, there are two types of users, system users and regular users. Okay, system users are created by the system during the installation, are used to run a system service and applications. So system users are created by system itself during the installation for to running the system services and applications. Okay, the regular users are created by administrator. Who are the administrator? The root users are the root user is a administrator. Okay, can access the system and its resources based on their permission. A root user has all permissions. Okay, so regular users are nothing but a system admin users. Okay, fine. So we'll see one by one users. We'll create one user. Okay, so I'm using this Ubuntu system. In a VirtualBox I installed this Ubuntu system. So with this Siva name, this is default user. When I was installing my system, so I given a name Siva. So while installing, it created a Siva as a user. So what I will do, I will create one user. So before that, how to check the user, whether after creating a user is created or not. So where we can check, that is cat etc passwd. Okay, here we can check the user. Okay, so Siva user is here. Okay, this is a user and this is for password, and this is a user ID and this is a group ID, and this is a Siva user, and this is a home path for Siva user, and this is cell. Okay, this information we need to know. Okay, so fine. I will create one user for an example. So I'm not a root user, so I need to use the sudo. If you are a root user, there is no need to use for sudo. Okay, I will scroll up the screen. That is a shortcut, Control plus L. Hold the Control and press L. It will scroll up your screen. You can see here, it will scroll up your screen. Okay, so clear screen and scroll up in the screen, there is a difference. So if I perform clear, so I can't get this back. I will show that one. So I can't get this back, these details, if I perform this clear command. Okay, if I press Control plus L, it will scroll up your screen. Okay, so see, I will perform this command clear. Okay, now you can scroll up. See here, the complete your window is cleared. So see here, you can't scroll up and scroll down. Fine. Okay, I will create a new user, sudo useradd. For example, I will take a name Rama user, hit enter, and a Rama user is created. You can check ID Rama, hit enter. So you can see the Rama user ID here. This is a user ID, this is a group ID, and this is a group. Okay, so by default, whenever you will create an user, so it will a Rama itself, it becomes a group. Okay, so by default a Rama is a user and he has a Rama group only. Okay, it will add to Rama group. Okay, so you can check that one, cat etc pass wd. You can check the user here. So Rama user got created here, and this is Rama user. There is no any password for this user. Okay, so this is user ID and this is a group ID, and Rama got created in this home directory. Okay, this in this path. Okay, this is a shell for the Rama user. Okay, so you can check all the users in a etc pass wd here. Okay, so now we created the user. How to delete that user? So that is simple, sudo user del user delete. Okay, and the username, hit enter. See, the user got deleted. You can do cat for etc pass wd. See here, previously when we did the cat, before deleting, when we did the cat, so Rama user is existing here. Okay, so after performing the user delete, so now we did the cat. See here, now after deleting we did the cat, so now a Rama user is not existing here. Okay, so we can, whenever you will create an user, so a user you need to give a permissions. Okay, for a user. Okay, so those things we'll see in the next class. So if I started to cover in the same class only, you will get a little bit confused. So we'll see in the next class how to create a group, and even how to give a particular how to add a user to the particular group, and how to give the permissions to the group, and how to give a permission for a particular user to access the particular group and folder and all. Okay, so we'll see those things in a next class. Do yourself practical. If you have any doubts, share your doubts in our mail ID. I will give our mail ID in the description. You can send your mail to our mail ID, and we'll respond back to your mail. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you learned something new in today's lecture. Follow all the lectures and video, and don't forget to do like and subscribe. If you feel this video is helpful, please share with your friends and colleagues. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.